Welcome to the Powerhouse Ideas. Let's begin.
Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Powerhouse Ideas. Today I've come up with a very special video, very important video, and I am sure if you are watching this, you will be liking it and you will be sharing with your friends. What if I tell you that you do not need to see any kind of charts to find out swing trading opportunities? What if I tell you that you need to click a button and you will be finding every stock which is going up with volume and is in uptrend without seeing any chart? What if I tell you that you can scan all these stocks available in the stock market without looking any of the charts? Yes, that is possible, and I'll be sharing with you that only that how it can be done with a help of a scanner already available and which is also free of cost. So let me share with you one scanner, and I also share the algorithm which I've already prepared for you, which you can also apply for your purposes so that you can also found some of the swing trading opportunities without seeing any chart. Now for example, on the screen you can see a chart of Finolex cables. Finolex cables today gave a breakout of this consolidation with some good volume. What if you are not supposed to see this chart and with a scanner you can do it? Now let us quickly move to the main content of this video and tell you that how to find these kind of charts on daily basis with a click of a button. So the name of the scanner is Charting. The website is given over here. You can note it. You can take a screenshot of this video or can play it again for seeing the content. Charting is a free scanner which is available to everyone, and everyone can use it. So before starting with the scanner, I'll be explaining you some of the basics on how this scanner has been made. Now to find a good swing trade, we need to see that the stock need to be in an uptrend. That is, it should be creating a pattern somewhat like this in long term. Second, for a swing trade, we want to see that the candles being formed are also forming higher high and higher low, somewhat like this. Another thing which you want to see, that the volume should also be good, which comes over here. Like in this case, we can see it over here. The volume should also be good. So these are the three things which I have created a scanner for you, so that by just clicking a button, you can find all those trades which are complying all these three setups. That is, the stock is in overall uptrend. The latest 3 daily candles are forming higher highs and higher lows, and some good volume is also coming. So now let's move to the scanner and see how we can find these kind of stocks. So this is Charting, as already told you. I have created a scanner and this is very easy. You can copy. I have included the fields like the latest. Latest means you have to select latest over here. Latest close is greater than equal to 1 day ago close. Means the close for today candle is greater than or equal to the close for the yesterday candle. Means if yesterday this candle was formed, then this close should be at least greater. The next candle should be at least greater or equal to the previous candle. Then the previous candle should be greater than or equal to the last 2 days candles. Means this candle should be greater than or equal to this candle. Okay, which I have included greater than or equal to. You can also include greater than only. Then similarly, the last 2 days candle is greater than the last 3 days candle. Means one more candle, if it was over here, you can also hide it. I only use 3 scanners, not the third one. I've already hidden it over here. So this candle is greater than the closing of the last 3 days candle. So this is check number 1, by which we will be finding this kind of setup. One check has been complete. Now we want to see that the stock should be in an uptrend. For that, we know that the stock is moving above 200 EMA, exponential moving average, and 50 EMA. Then the stock is in uptrend. So for that, I have included that the latest close, that the latest daily close should be greater than the EMA 200, latest close of 200 EMA. This you can easily find. You can take a screenshot or watch the video again and side by side make your scanner. Then the next scanner is that the latest close should also be greater than the 50 EMA. 50 I have included over here. Means by these two scanners, I'll be finding a stock with higher highs and higher low. Then the last thing left is that the volume, that the latest volume should be greater than the previous day volume, that is 1 day ago volume. Means if volume is formed like this on one day, then the next volume should be like somewhat like this. And then again, one more check on the volume, that the last day volume was greater than the volume generated before that, that is on the second last day, somewhat over here. Like by these three setups, we will be finding a volume screen like this, that the volume will be gradually increasing. Now the last part, very important part of this scanner is that this volume, which I personally consider is that this volume, this last volume should be greater than the previous 30 days average volume, weighted volume previous 30 days. Means if this is the average, then this should be greater than the previous volume generated in the last 30 days, whole month. This shows that a great volume has been generated, which was not generated in the last 30 days. So this is a small setup wherein you will be finding that the candles are creating higher high and higher low. Then the chart pattern is also creating a higher high and higher low. The volumes are also increasing and the volume is more than the average volume of the last 30 days. So this is a small scanner. Now let us see how does it works. ठीक है, अब हम देखते हैं कैसे काम करता है. मैंने इसको यहाँ पे run scan किया. And one more thing, very important. You can run this scanner on any of these segments. Like for example, let me show you. You can run it on cash segment, bank nifty segment, ETFs, futures, gold ETFs, indices, mid cap 50, nifty 100, whatever you want to, you can run it. Right now I'm running it on nifty 500 stocks. Means every stock which is matching all these parameters will be coming in our list. Now let's run the scan and see what are the results which we get. These are so many stocks which we have got, which are given a breakout and which are increasing with good volume. If I see them broadly, they are all very good stocks. Almost all these stocks are very good. Now let me show you the scanner which I already show you the chart also, like the Finolex cables. Let us see one by one. एक एक करके देखते हैं. Like first we can see BSC. देखते हैं result match करता है कि नहीं करता है. तो let us see the chart of BSC. What does it shows? अब ये चार्ट है आपके सामने. Now let us check all the parameters one by one. Let me switch on the moving averages for you. First parameter was that the last three candles should be creating a higher high and higher low. It is already creating. The first scanner has been met. The second scanner was that the latest close shall be above the moving averages, 250 moving averages. Then the volume should be increasing in the last 30 days, last 3 days. Then it should be more than the average volume. All the parameters are set. We have found a breakout stock with good volume, with an uptrend by just a click, and not just one stock. We have found so many stocks. If I show you the number, there are 40 stocks which we have found, and you need only 2 or 3 to be profitable. Now let us take another example. Let us see Grasim, which is already included in the list. So this is the stock of Grasim for you. Let me clear the drawings. Now let us again check. The last 3 candles are creating higher highs and higher lows individually. Then the price is closed above 50 moving average and 200 moving average. The volume is increasing and it is more than the average volume. So it is so easy to find out breakout trades, to find out good trading opportunities for swing trading. Now from now onwards, you need not rely on anyone. You need to rely only on one scanner, that is the charting scanner. Now if you like this video, you have to like it and subscribe it with your friends, because it is only a like for you, but it means a lot for me. I'll be coming up with more such videos for you so that you can learn and earn profit. Let's grow together. I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, take care.